With the diagnostics app that we made for our car, you can simply plug in the car into your phone using a USB-C cable, and it will very quickly identify that it is connected, and that you can see here that the throttle pedal is currently not responding. From this we know how to fix it, all the tools we need, and we will quickly be able to get it going and have our car working again.
Of course, every car can be repaired, but what we see is that there's a real necessity for specialized knowledge, especially with electric vehicles nowadays. So what we really try to do is that we give the consumer the power to repair their own car.
So you press and open, and then you'll find the modules. What you can do is only release one plug, then you can pull the battery out like this. And it's very easy to do by yourself, with your hand. Yeah, anyone can do this.